No one's born being good at all things. You become good at things through hard work on your schoolwork. I get it. I know what it's like. My father left my family when I was 2 years old. And I was raised by a single mom who had to work and who struggled at times to pay the bills and wasn't always able to give us the things that other kids had. There were times when I missed having a father in my life. There were times when I was lonely and I felt like I didn't fit in.
Rick, we've been here for over a day.
halkan waxaan joognay maalmo badan.
I'll be back soon.
Si degdeg ayaan soo laabanayaa.
Be in my shoes is not easy.
Booskayga oo kale inaad joogtahay ma fududa.
Your true character comes out at home.
Sababtoo ah dabeecaddaada dhabta waxay ka soo baxdaa guriga.
So I'm glad to be in this position, but of course this is not coming from the sky. I dedicate myself.
aad ayaan ugu faraxsanahay booskan maanta joogo tanuna kama iman cirka ee waa hurutaan aan sameeyay